Hello and welcome to a new video from me. Today it is all about bad smells from the carpet and how you can get rid of it with a natural home remedy. Since you may perhaps notice too, the carpet smells unpleasantly or stinks in a few places because there was a stain there and the bad smell was not completely removed. Fortunately, however, here's a simple trick with a natural home remedy with which to get almost all odors out of the carpet and have a fresh smell in the apartment once again. And for this you will need baking soda, a fine sieve, it is not necessary but it makes things much easier, and a vacuum cleaner. Before we get started, you should note that the carpet needs to be dry for the baking soda to be applied, since otherwise the baking soda clumps and the odors are poorly absorbed. The first step is to spread the baking soda as evenly as possible on the carpet. From my experience, spreading the baking soda over a large area works much easier and better with a fine sieve, since it is important for all bad smelling carpet fibers to be reached by the soda. If you spread the baking soda with only a spoon, then that would not work out well, since then not all the carpet fibers will be reached. However, this is necessary so that the soda can neutralize the bad odors. Then we leave the soda to act for some time. I usually let it do the work overnight. In the meantime, if it doesn't bother you, you can also let it act for 24 hours. Now vacuum clean the carpet thoroughly to completely remove the baking soda. For particularly stubborn odors, it can help to work in the baking soda with a brush. In my experience, however, this is truly only necessary in exceptional cases. Another option is to repeat the application if the odor was not completely removed during the first application. After the application, if your carpet smells good again, then that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then I would be glad if you leave a big thumbs up.